on the beat.
That's one thing about car enthusiasts. We'll always hear something like, that sounds good, or that's a blah 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 exhaust.
Yeah, boy.
What's up, guys? It's your man Woahxofficial, and in today's video, we got a car review. So before we get to the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also make sure you watch the ads. So we got one of the guys here, Eduardo. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Eduardo. I'm 27 years old, and this is my car right here.
Wow, okay, so it looks really nice. What kind of car is it?
It's a 2013 Subaru WRX.
So, what was kind of the first car you had, or was this your first car?
This is the first car I bought, but my first car that I started and learned how to drive was a 2001 Toyota Celica.
And what's well done in this car? This car really looks modified.
Yeah, as you can see, there's quite a couple things I've done to it. Probably the main things that stand out the most are the Widebody kit and the wheels. Those are the big things. And I've actually wrapped it in a, it's called Firm and Blue by Hexus. It's a wrap.
Oh, this is a wrap.
Yes, it's a wrap.
So,
Oh my God! Wow!
so what color is the car actually?
It's originally black.
Really nice. Now, is there anything that you plan on doing to this car?
You know, if I had 20 grand to blow, I honestly could just blow it right now. But for the meantime, I like how it sits, but probably the next thing that I would like to do is I would like to paint it.
Like to paint it? Really? What makes you want to go with paint?
Wrap is cool and everything, but if you actually pay attention to details, you can see the little imperfections. But I would love to paint it and just have like that spark. Because with wrap is really good and it's gotten a lot better. But at certain angles, you can see like the porch steel.
What's something that got you into cars?
Probably since I was little, I always had like Hot Wheels and little cars. And then growing up, a lot of people got into it because of the Fast and Furious movies or the Need for Speed game. My all-time favorite Need for Speed is the 2005 Most Wanted. That and probably, I don't know if you're, a lot of people that watch anime, they watch Initial D.
I've heard of that. I don't think I've seen it.
I love Initial D. I probably watched it like 4 times already. It's so
Really?
good, yes.
That's the drifting in like Japan,
Yes.
right? With the 86 in
Yes, it is. I love that show. It's so good. And I think that all those put together is what made me fall in love with cars.
And the Need for Speed Most Wanted you were talking about, I don't remember what year, but I think I know it. That's the one with the M3 E46 BMW.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the best one in my opinion.
That game was so much fun. When you're getting chased by the cops, you feel the adrenaline. Yeah.
I was watching a video on Instagram, and this one guy was saying on Need for Speed Most Wanted, I don't remember, but he said getting away from the cops back then on the game was super difficult. It would take a long time, like I want to say he said like an hour.
Yeah, they're really good.
That's totally different than Need for Speed today.
Yes.
All you need is nitrous.
That or you can go to like one of those buildings and then hide out from the cops. And that's it.
Was there like a story that happened when you got this car?
Okay.
Yeah, boy.
So originally, I've always loved Subis, and I wanted a white hatch, but I could not find anything whatsoever. I made my area wider to find the car, and I had found a blue sedan, and I went to go check it out. And it was nice, but it wasn't at the what they were asking for was a little too much. So I passed on it, and I waited a little longer, and I found this car. It was probably like 40 minutes from my house. I went to go check it out and everything, and I knew I wanted it. And when I went to go buy it, they had a right-hand drive CRX for $14K, and I was like, should I get that instead? But I was like, no, I just want the 60. The main difference is the transmission. This is a 5-speed while the STI is a 6-speed. And another STI you can control it, or this one you can't really control it. That and the brakes, STI has Brembo brakes, this one doesn't, and the lug handle.
Are there any tips for anybody who's like trying to join the car scene?
Probably the big thing that I would tell someone is go get whatever you want. And a lot of people have strong opinions on what you can and can't do to a car, but just do what you want. It's honestly all I can say.
Do what you want, guys. People always want to talk. Now, with the Subaru Impreza, how long have you had this car for?
Ooh, I think I bought this back in, I want to say it was 2018. I want to say it was the year I got it.
2018. And when did you really start like modifying the car? Did you know you wanted to do wide body or something?
I've always liked wide-body kits, but I was like, I never wanted to do it just because the moment you start cutting into the car, there's no going back. So it took I bought the wide-body kit, and it took me a whole year before I actually did it on.
Patience.
Really? Is it?
It took me a whole year before I actually did it on.
Really? Is it just because you knew you had to cut it?
That and I knew I was like, it's gonna, because I did it with my friends. We did it at my house, so it was just a new experience for us. That and I knew once I did it, I had to save up to get wheels.
Patience.
Because it's basically 2 inches wider on the side, so it's 4 inches in total. So if I would have kept my own wheels, they would have been really sunken. So I had to save up for some wheels as well.
Okay. So these wheels are really that wide? So you have a space right now?
I did not.
No space?
Damn!
Oh, man. So how wide are these wheels?
They're 18 by 12, negative 10.
Jeez. And what is that negative 10? That's like offset?
Yes, it's the offset.
Now, do you know what offset is? I'm not really too familiar.
So the way people describe offset is it's how far away the wheel sticks out from the inside of the car. So a zero offset would be right in the middle, and a lot of cars have positive offset. So my old wheels used to be, they were plus 40, I think they were plus 45. So from the middle of the wheel, there would be 45 millimeters into the car. Since these are negative 10, the center of the wheel sticks out negative 10 millimeters out.
Oh, okay. So the negative is poking out, positive is the
So that whenever you get new wheels, it's a lot of measurements.
Yeah, I made that mistake. I didn't know what offset was one time. I just bought some. Dang, it's poking out a lot.
So you need to add a little bit of camber or something. So
Yeah.
that or get a smaller tire.
What's your favorite thing about the car?
My favorite thing are the wheels.
The wheels.
Yes. I love these wheels just because I got them in triple chrome, so they're very, very shiny. That's what I love about them. Especially when they're clean, they stand out.
And what kind of wheels are these?
They're heritage, and it's the MSU directional wheels. And I have a story on that as well.
Really? What's the story you have on it? Let's hear it.
So I bought them, and they took 5 months to make.
5 months?
Yes. So they arrived at my house. I was test fitting them, and they did the wrong look pattern.
Really?
So I had to send them back and wait another 5 months
Oh,
for them to come back. So basically almost a year before I got my wheels.
damn. So these were like custom.
Yes. Like I had to sign a contract when ordering them.
Really?
I had to put half up front and half into the back.
Wow, that's crazy. I've never heard of that. So are these multi-piece wheels?
Yes, they're 30 cents.
Three-piece? Wow. Okay.
Oh no, no.
We are back, guys. The train was kind of in the way. So you didn't cover what you made this. Like, was there something that you noticed that you disliked about the car?
I love this car a lot. Probably, it's not that I dislike it, but sometimes I wish I would have gone for the STI just because of the stronger transmission.
Stronger transmission.
Yes.
Now, with that being said, if that's the only thing, have you considered maybe like swapping the trans in the future?
So I actually looked into that, and it's a really expensive swap. A lot of people just end up getting an STI instead of doing the swap.
Oh man.
Yeah, because you got to swap everything: the diffs, the transmission, and the brakes, all that stuff. So it gets expensive.
Goodness, okay. these cars, they're all-wheel drive, right?
Correct. They're all with that.
So can you like adjust the all-wheel drive back more on the back or front?
If it was an STI.
Really?
But STI has more control over that. I have a little button in the middle where you can switch how much you want on more towards the back or
Gotcha. Now, we did kind of cover what you would recommend for someone coming into the car community. Get what you want, guys, because somebody's always going to have something to say, whether it's a Subaru, whether it's a Honda. Just get what you want so you can be at peace with you. Now, the next question I would have, or that I have, is what's one thing that you really like about the car community? And if there's anything that you dislike, which I'm probably sure there is, what's something you dislike about the car community?
What I love is just meeting a lot of new people. Like I've met a lot of good friends from the car community. Like when we went to the show in Gatlinburg, I like that show because you meet a lot of internet friends. Like I've met friends from Arizona,
Really?
like up north. Just meet everyone just gets together and has a good time. On the other end, what I don't like about it is just the toxicity of the community. That and a lot of people just like to do dumb stuff that ruins it for everyone else. That's the bad thing about it.
Toxicity with the community. Do you notice that it seems to be more toxic online than like in person, or what's your sort of experience with that?
Yes, I think more online just because people they can say more whatever they want without having any repercussions. They have more of a voice. So,
Do you have like a favorite car of all time?
probably my dream car is a 1998 white Toyota JZX 100 Chaser. I love that car. A white Chaser that's low on some really nice shiny wheels. It would be amazing. They're expensive.
Really?
Yeah, because probably like 5-8 years ago, they were like in the teens. Right now they're like 35, 40K.
35, 40? Why do you think they're so expensive?
Just because since they became legal import, they were very sought out for it because they have a 1GZ motor and a lot of people use them to drift.
Really? Now, if you own one, are you trying to drift it or?
No, just make it really nice.
Kind of like a show car.
Yes, basically.
That's awesome.
I mean, that car's pretty cool.
It is a really nice car. One of the cars that I like that Toyota made that's import like that. I hope I'm saying the name right. I'm sure these guys will let me know. The Toyota Zilla.
Oh yes. So it's the Japanese version of the IS300.
I hear mixed things about it. I hear that only has a 4-cylinder, but I really swore I thought it had like a 6.
I'm pretty sure that comes in I think it's a non-turbo 2JZ. I could be wrong, it could be the 1J. But I actually have a friend who has a same year as my car, but an STI, and his girlfriend just got a yellow. It's Altezza.
Really? Oh my goodness.
Yes.
I love those cars. Sure. Okay, well guys, if you have any questions for Eduardo about his car, should leave a comment and we'll get to it. Now, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And Eduardo, do you have anything you want to say to the viewers? Anything?
Anything? I think just get whatever you want and just enjoy your car.
Do what you want to enjoy your car. Eduardo's car, he's got a hot looking Subaru, guys. I think it's one of the nicest Subarus I've seen.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Now, what year is this car?
It's a 2013.
2013 Subaru. So guys, check it out. And Eduardo, is there like a social media account that you have for this car?
Yes, my Instagram is WRX_EDUARDO24.
So guys, I'll go ahead and put that in a little pop-up at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you follow him. And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Thank you.